What grade?
I'm going into 6th grade.
What Rex class are you taking right now?
Animation and programming.
Have you taken any other Rex classes?
Yes.
What are those?
Web design.
What do you learn in this class? Animations and programming.
The basics functions about how to make them move and stuff like that, and talk and react with each other.
Can you tell me 2 fun parts of the class?
We get to show our things to the whole class so they know. And another one is we get lots of help with it.
So do you think whatever you're learning here would help you outside now and when you grow up?
Probably not when I grow up, but probably now.
Do you like the teachers?
Yes,
Would you recommend this class to your friends?
definitely.
Why?
Because it's super fun and you can use it at home when you're bored and you want to do something.